Are you an electrical contractor with challenging site logistics, still moving 1,000-foot reels of MC cable up 12 floors in downtown Manhattan? Have you started down the path of prefab Ruff-IN assemblies?
Whether you have an established prefab shop or are considering the benefits of prefab, we are here to help. Eaton's Ruff-IN prefabricated assemblies are designed to help contractors with speed of installation, waste reduction, and material management for a healthy bottom line. In this video, we will discuss the 3 Ruff-IN tiers and the advantages of prefabricated assemblies.
Eaton knows that demands on contractors are at an all-time high. Challenges hit from all sides: tight budgets, scope creep, digital deliverables, and green initiatives such as material waste reduction. Plus, the shrinking workforce and expedited construction schedules require contractors to optimize their labor in new ways.
That's where the Ruff-IN prefabricated assemblies can help. Choose from made to stock, made to order, or engineered to order. You now have multiple ways to drive efficiency and consistency on your next Ruff-IN project. The Ruff-IN made to stock solution, also known as Ruff-IN MTS, features our most common and popular prefabricated assemblies. MTS allows for immediate shipment from stock to help reduce material management on site. MTS is UL listed and are all factory assembled. We offer a broad spectrum of solutions from our most basic prefab assembly, for example our TP403PF that includes a 4-inch square box with a prefab ground tail installed, to our more complex solution, the PFWFA 4Q10 AR58. It consists of a telescoping wide flange bracket, a BBA alignment plate, 4-inch square box with integral double barrel connector, ground tail, and adjustable mudring. Our made-to-stock assemblies are ideal for any electrical Ruff-IN installations. Also, contractors can optimize their prefab shop by using MTS assemblies.
Our next tier is the Ruff-IN made-to-order prefabricated solution, also known as MTO, that are configured to your project type and schedule. Like MTS, MTO provides the same benefits along with customized kitted solutions to help improve your bottom line. Ruff-IN MTO assemblies incorporate Eaton's boxes, brackets, plaster rings, wiring devices, push-in connectors, strut, and other accessories. Our Ruff-IN pros are available to assist you with your made-to-order assemblies. Simply request a quote and include your electrical drawing along with fire alarm, security, telephone, and data requirements. Our team will provide you price and lead time quote, bill of materials, and a takeoff drawing based on your construction documents. Once the PO is awarded, an Eaton Project Manager is assigned and you will receive a submittal and project details for your final approval. Your MTO solution will arrive on site kitted by floor or area with each Ruff-IN assembly individually labeled for the takeoff drawing. The drawing provides your installation team with the details on the exact locations for each Ruff-IN assembly. On repeatable projects, an added tier to the MTO solution are basic layout drawings, which provide more detail to the installing team. These drawings include unit layout based on the original construction documents with Ruff-IN locations, custom device identification, mounting height, and the quantities required in units. Ruff-IN MTO can be beneficial to the end user compared to MTS when there are repeatable floors and kitting just makes sense. MTO is a great solution for schools, offices, banks, medical offices, hotels, multi-tenant buildings, and more.
Our third tier is Ruff-IN Engineered to Order, also known as ETO, which includes custom prefabricated solutions with full takeoff services based on your current construction documents. As our most cost-effective Ruff-IN solution, ETO provides a streamlined process from quote to inspection to help customers get their best return on their investment. While MTO can feature standard cable lengths, the ETO tier provides engineered-to-length cable, a Revit model, an installation drawing, and kitted to meet your project requirements. When you compare Ruff-In ETO assembly installation to a traditional stick-built, contractors can save up to 8 minutes per Ruff-In location. When you consider the number of Ruff-In installations in a typical large hotel, the time and cost savings really add up. As an added time and cost savings, we can work with you to prefabricate other electrical equipment that you provide, like load centers, breakers, and other miscellaneous components. These components are prefabricated per NEC requirements, where wires are tagged and labeled according to the design. Once completed, a clear protective cover is placed on the load center to provide protection on site until the final trim cover is installed. This provided cover meets OSHA's temporary use requirements and allows the installing contractor to energize the panel for testing requirements. Also, Romex and MC cables are individually labeled, coiled, and terminated. The finished product is palletized and can be shipped direct to the job site ready for installation. By adding in this option, customers can further reduce their installation time and maximize the return on their investment. Ruff-In engineered-to-order assemblies help contractors by offering labor savings by faster and efficient installation methods, reducing job site waste, improving material management, and reduction of on-site material by eliminating over-ordering and shortages, including expensive MC cable or Romex. The end result will be a quicker installation with an improved project material savings. So how does this work? Simply reach out to our Ruff-In pros who will work with you to plan and design the project to your specific requirements. With this solution, we provide a dedicated project manager, a local sales agent, and distribution support. Together, we will provide recommendations on the Ruff-In assemblies customized to fit your needs. Ruff-In ETO includes UL-listed Ruff-In assemblies with engineered-to-length cabling based on your project needs, wiring devices as required, and engineered prefabricated installation shop drawings based on project construction documents. Plus, upon initial project startup, one of our pros can arrive on site to provide an overview of the product received and provide a one-day training on how to properly install the engineered-to-order assemblies. While MTO and MTS are a great option, the most cost-effective solution is the ETO solution. It is ideal for construction projects where the architectural design is typically repeated room to room. Examples of this would be hotels, condominiums, assisted living units, and dormitories. In conclusion, there's a Ruff-In solution for almost every electrical construction project, and our team will assist and recommend the right solution for you.
Learn how you can speed up installs, reduce waste, and improve the return on investment by visiting eaton.com/Ruff-In.
To see some of this equipment and the options you have for your installations, contact us or your local Eaton representative to schedule a visit to one of our Power Systems Experience Centers today.